Have you ever seen someone talking bad about other network marketing companies just because they thought their company was better? Has anyone ever talked bad about your company just because you didn't want to join theirs? In this video, I'm going to give you 3 top reasons of why I don't believe in talking negatively about other network marketing companies, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Siso Mhlongo here, Njomanegam Gabi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business or anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can just use the link on the video description below to subscribe. Well, before we talk about why you shouldn't talk negatively about another network marketing company, let's talk about why people do it in the first place. You know, some people really believe that if they can make other companies look bad, then theirs would look a lot better, and if it looks better to their prospects, more people will join them in business. You know, I also know of people who try to make other companies look bad because they are losing their downline to that company, so they trash talk the company to try to stop other downline members from leaving. You know, talking badly about someone's business opportunity so that they can join yours or stay with yours hardly ever works. So I've got a few reasons why I say talking negatively about other network marketing companies is always a bad idea. The first reason is that when you speak negatively about other companies, you are making yourself look bad. You might think that you are making the company look bad, but the positive people who might have joined you in business will be turned off by you. If you want to attract positive people into your business, and you should never ever trash talk another business opportunity. You know, when you speak negatively, you are just helping other people to see that if things don't go your way, you are going to be an emotional crybaby. Or if someone decides to do something different, you'll criticize them. And secondly, when you actually spend time trash talking other network marketing companies, you are taking your focus off building your business. So if you want to be a successful network marketer, you have to be conscious of how you use your time. You know, instead of talking negatively about another company, spend your time building your company. And thirdly, if you are being negative towards another network marketing business opportunity, you are going to drive a lot of traffic to the same business that you are trying to stop other people from joining. Not to mention, some of your team members will probably do a little research on the company to see what you are talking about. And if they are researching another company, that means they are not 100% focused on building their business. And it's possible that they might see something they like and leave your company. So how can you attract other network marketers to join you in your business if putting down their company doesn't work? Well, provide them with value. Give them network marketing tips on how to generate more leads, you know, recruit more reps and get more duplication. You know, if you provide them with information that will help them, they'll be more likely to join you in business and more likely to stick with you in business. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.